Hey, Ron, look what I just found on the floor. What?
That's Paul's watch. You just put it back where you found it. Oh, boy. All right. Good night, everybody.
Good night. Oh, no.
Sorry.
Oh, no,
No,
go.
Really, I don't want it.
Split it?
Okay.
Okay. You know, you probably didn't know this, but back in high school, I had a major crush on you.
I know.
You did? Oh, okay. I always figured you just thought I was Monica's geeky older brother.
I did.
Oh. Listen, do you think... And try not to let my intense vulnerability become any kind of a factor here. But do you think it would be okay if I asked you out sometime, maybe?
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay. Okay, maybe I will.
Good night.
Good night.
See ya. Wait. Hey, what's with you?
I just grabbed a spoon.
I can't believe what I'm hearing here.
Can't believe what I'm hearing here. What? I said you had an... I said you had... Would you stop? Oh, was I doing it again?
Yes.
Would anybody like more coffee?
Did you make it, or are you just serving it?
I'm just serving it.
Yeah, I'll have a cup of coffee. Kids, new dream. I'm in Las Vegas. I'm Liza Minnelli.